Hi, today we tell you a few facts about PrestaShop, a powerful e-commerce platform. PrestaShop is a powerful system for creating an online store, and it allows you to sell products online. Also, it's a cross-platform software and a completely free solution for doing business on the internet. You may ask, why choose PrestaShop? Powerful. It is based on the Symfony framework. It includes more than 600 features and 5,000 extensions. Customizable. The system is very easy to use, and you can easily customize each component. Open source. Users and developers are guaranteed a secure, flexible, and sustainable solution for all their e-commerce projects. Excellent performance, stability and sales efficiency. This and much more distinguishes the system from a similar e-commerce engine. In fact, PrestaShop was and remains one of the most popular platforms for creating an online store.